Welcome to Phulwari Education. Lesson 7. Drenched in the rain. A bright sunny day, blue was the sky, could not see any clouds, distancing from school to home, electric charges suddenly discharged, from the sky, going to rain it was, home was still far. I tried walking fast, jiggling on the way, knotted the rain, leaving me drenched, menacing my shoes, nibbling my dress. Word meaning: jiggling, moving unsteadily. Knotted, patted like whip. Drenched, wet completely. Menacing, threatening. Nibbling, taking small bites. Oozing from me, pleasure, quenching the heat, raucous rain, spattering all, time and again, until I reached home, very quickly. With a mug of hot coffee, xylophone I played, yes, I was happy, zippered in my room. Word meaning: quenching, extinguishing. Raucous, loud or unpleasant. Spattering, spots of something. Zippered, fastened.
Like, share and subscribe.